people, and I know here wetin dey happen. Na nyash, na it come the rain, oh. Na nyash, na it come the rain up and down. If you know, say you get nyash, you not today, the nyash not today. You not today, okay, find how you go do the nyash. Make the nyash for come out. If you know, say you not get at all, my sister, if na that thing when they sell for online, that way that they sell for online, that nyash still add join and made the nyash made for go up. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If I'm a returning subscriber, may God bless you. Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting me. I so much appreciate una. My people not be smart, you know. Na nyash, na it come the rain up and down now. If you not get nyash, my sister, forget you, they learn. Now waiting Nigeria celebrity come tell us now, say na nyash, na it come the rain. Na nyash, na it come they favor them. If nyash, they not get nyash, will not be anything for the industry. The way when Nigeria celebrities they carry the nyash, they tweak the nyash up and down, not be sumoting no. Wetin make me they talk this thing? Say if you not get nyash, find how you go do am. Wetin they talk be say, the way when Nigeria celebrity they carry nyash, I not can understand at all. Tomorrow go reach, they go celebrate, say, they go shopping, oh, they buy Gucci, they buy Amazon, this one, they buy wristwatch when worth millions of naira. Tomorrow go reach again, they will talk, say they don't know, say fans, they zoom them, you know, they watch them from afar. Say the fans, they watch them for far away. Say, now so, the fans come surprise them with Venza. The fans come surprise them with Lamborghini. The fans come surprise them with house for Lekki. The fans come surprise them with house for Maryland. The fans come surprise them. How many we go fit count? Come on, Nigeria celebrities, female, no on a day. What of the male one? They know they surprise them with this kind of a thing, you know, fancy thing. Not let the female ones they made for that industry. I bet men are still cost of give on our brothers. On I get this amount of money, this kind of money. On our brothers go they sick. On I no help. Nothing. On I go say the person just surprise on I get the money, on I work for the money, on I work money tonight. This sweat the sweat now I used to buy the Land Cruiser. I don't know what they call them. On I know they help on our brother. If they come they sick now, they come they will disturb people for online. Nigeria celebrity on I to carry last. Now before they watch on a movie, they say, this one. Since when I know say Nigeria celebrity on a be niente. As Italy they talk on a be niente. On a be niente. On a the twerk nyash up and down. Oh, no let the main one. I just feel for small. The main one, if on a know anyhow, anyway one I go to make money, one I go to do on a nyash. But I still find the opportunity. One I still come out. Not be only the female they make for the industry. Every day night they celebrate cars, houses. How this money they come? Men I still call soap give the male ones. I beg. They don't make poor, make the male one make them poor for the industry. Men are still, you know, men are still carry the male one. Make the male one still, you know, make they still walk up and down. Make they fierce. Or now when be female they fear again. I can't be like say now only female now then they get money for the industry, now that they get houses, why the male one that they struggle for their family, you know, the married ones, you know, if they're sick now, they will come they beg say we need so amount to fly and go India. We need so amount to fly and go London. To we need that to we use and take cut a leg or a leg they pain and this one. Like seriously, Nigeria celebrities, the female ones, none are they call the comments. Men are suffering, they twerk the nyash. Men are suffering, they carry nyash up and down. Wait till you get where you go reach the nyash, the nyash go just, you know, when they say the nyash do fele, the nyash go just fade like that. The nyash not go last forever. e get where una go reach, una go old. Una go old oh. Una go still come and come, they still they beg money up and down. The ones when wise made they still use their own. We know what una they do. Men are not they deceive us. Say fast, just sit down for one corner. They can't knock for your door. They can't give you Christmas gift. They can't give you this one gift. They can't carry you go London for shopping. They can't carry you go London for vacation. They do this one, do this one. Men are not they lie again. Men are not they lie. If this thing are real, what of the main one? The main one for the go London, they fly, they go up and down. Just the share different thing for online. What did they buy? The main one not they buy, not only the female one. I bet who are they try to press? Who you want me press? Who you want impress? Nigeria celebrities. Men are suffering, they twerk the nyash. I beg the snake one, the snake queens, when they on board. I beg if I not get nyash, men I go find how I go take package the nyash, you know? How I go if you not get at all. Go other pint, you know, you get what that they wear for online. Go other, may you still put the nyash where may the nyash for go up some more. Now nyash competition, I they can they do now. Nigeria celebrities, men are not they do competition again with the nyash. Men are live on a nyash as God take create the nyash. Men are not they put something for the nyash. Ha, waiting on they stop. Nyash everywhere. Carry nyash up and down. Carry nyash. They twerk the nyash like say tomorrow, not day. May God favor the main one, so the main one when they the industry. May God open door for them. May they still feel as the main one and the female one. I mean, as they feel they get the money. May they still feel like that. Nyash everywhere. Carry nyash, twerk nyash. Go this one. Yeah, waiting. May I still do some more. May I still do some more. And two men are they try how na go take the help on our brothers out. Men are try as na go take the help on our sister. Anything where come their way, you know, na different thing na they happen. No. They say this one not well, this one not well. Men are they try the help. That one matters a lot. Men are they help. Make people for not they see on our feel. If na nyash now na go they talk, I beg go. Who not get nyash? May you go find how you go take put your own nyash show. Make the nyash for favor the Nigeria celebrity with your nyash. Go for you when they watch me. Go for how you go take do your nyash show. My people might live on a year. Thank you now. Thank you now. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I so much appreciate you all. Bye bye guys. One love.